Hello everyone. So today's class we are going to learn how to derive the algebraic identities. Most of the time students are going to memorize all the algebraic identities. So it is a good practice to memorize the algebraic identities, but the student should have the capacity to derive by itself. If they forget in the exam, they should have that capacity to recall it by deriving the formula. So today's class we are going to derive the first algebraic identities, that is the square of binomial a plus b whole square, and that is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Let us start. So first identity, that is a plus b whole square, this is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square, so we have to write it twice. A plus b into a plus b. Now we are going to use the distribution property. So a multiplied with a plus b, again plus b multiplied with a plus b. Now again we have to use the same property, that is the distribution property. A into a square plus a into b, ab plus a into b, ab plus b into b, b square. Now these are the like term, ab and ab we can simplify. A square plus 1 plus 1, that is twice ab plus b square. So this is the identities. A plus b whole square is a square plus twice ab plus b square. So in our next video we are going to learn the second identities, that is a minus b whole square. So in this video we are going to derive the second identity, that is a minus b whole square, and that is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So let us start. A minus b whole square, that is a minus b whole square. It's a product of binomials, so we have to write twice. A minus b, a minus b. We are going to use the distribution property, that is a multiplied by a minus b, again minus b multiplied by a minus b. Again we are using the similar property, that is the distribution property, a into a square minus a into b, ab minus a into b, ab minus into minus, that is plus b square. So these are the like terms, so we have to simplify. A square minus ab, that is minus twice ab plus b square. So this is the formula for a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So in that way, very simple way, we can derive the identities, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So those who are new in my channel, I just request to them, please subscribe my channel and try to share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.